Whole strawberries arrive under temperature control to protect quality.
Each pallet is labeled to maintain full traceability through processing.
Accurate weights support yield tracking and mass balance.
Documentation and pulp temperature confirm supplier compliance.
Collect samples for grading.
Visual grading determines suitability for puree processing.
Sugar and acidity define formulation and safety targets.
Only compliant lots enter the processing line. Failing lots are isolated to protect the process.
FIFO staging ensures freshness and traceability.
Gentle tipping prevents damage before washing. Early debris removal protects downstream equipment.
Plume washing cleans while minimizing impact on soft fruit.
Rinsing removes remaining surface contamination.
Sanitizer contact reduces microbial load under controlled conditions.
A final rinse ensures no sanitizer remains on fruit. Dewatering improves inspection accuracy and yield.
Post-wash checks confirm sanitation performance.
Gentle transfer protects berry integrity before sorting.
Proper spacing enables accurate optical and manual sorting.
Automated vision removes defects at high speed. Optically sort berries. Defects are removed to protect quality and safety. Low drop feeding prevents unnecessary damage. Size reduction prepares fruit for efficient pulping. Controlled pumping protects texture and throughput. Pulping releases usable flesh while isolating solids. Finishing smooths puree while diverting fiber for byproduct use. Dewatering prepares fiber for efficient drying. Fine sieving ensures uniform texture before deaeration.
Deaeration protects color and flavor during heat treatment.
Sterility during packering. Sterile filling maintains product safety without preservatives. Secure seals protect the sterile barrier. Clear coating preserves traceability to raw fruit lots. Check weighing confirms contractual fill accuracy. Vision inspection detects seal defects early. Final inspection protects customers from physical hazards.
Pack bags into cases.
Sealed cases protect bags during handling. Palletizing stabilizes loads for storage and transport.
Wrapping prevents movement and contamination.
Controlled storage preserves product quality until shipment. Stabilizes fiber for safe storage and milling. Milling achieves consistent particle size. Sifting ensures uniform specification. Bagged fiber is ready for secondary markets. Dry storage preserves fiber quality. Screening removes coarse solids before treatment. DAF reduces organic load prior to biological treatment. Biological treatment completes wastewater purification. Dewatering reduces volume for compliant disposal. Proper setup ensures effective cleaning. Detergent circulation removes product residues.
Verify, rinse, and release. Complete records support audits and traceability. Clear handover maintains continuity between shifts.
So this one is sealed and ready.
Yep, just need your signature right here and you're all set.
First thing you need with verify waste segregation.
Drain sanitation reduces environmental contamination risks. Covers prevent dust and contact during downtime.
Clear status enables safe maintenance planning.
Controlled exit maintains hygiene separation. The production run is fully completed. Pre-operational checks confirm equipment readiness before the next run.
Verify allergen status.
Formal release authorizes safe operation.
The facility is prepared for the next processing cycle.
The shipment leaves the facility for delivery.
System confirmation closes the outbound